Welcome to the tutorial guide for the program we have created, Microsoft Access. To start off, open the Microsoft Access file. When the Microsoft Access is generated, there will be a pop-out indicating Welcome to Microsoft Access. Click OK and it will lead to the navigation page. If you would like to change what is shown on the pop-up, simply scroll down to the bottom and right-click on AutoExec under Macros. Click on Design View and click Message Box. Customize the text message to whatever you like by typing in the message box. All that is left is to save the changes by clicking on the X button on the top right and click on Yes. Firstly, there will be a section to input the employee's basic information. Click on Add Employee to fill up a new form. Key in employee's ID followed by the full name which will be used for tracking. Fill in the various fields. To locate an employee, key in the name in the search bar. Moving on to the basic training. It will be a similar process to the basic information section. In order to add an attachment, double-click on the box and a pop-up will appear. Click on Add and choose a file name and press OK. Next, contains the aviation experience section that will allow you to key in your past experiences. For type training record, similarly fill in the form accordingly to add record. However, take note to include the date of start and ending for the duration. Next is continuation training record. The certification number is compulsory in order to verify the validity of the cert. For example, you have Type 1 or Type 2 record. The next form will be regarding the licensing, which includes the initial, renewal and expiry date, followed by an attachment for the license copy, which can be done as mentioned earlier. This will conclude the inputting of the employee's information. And let's move on to queries. To view all the attachments for the certificates of a particular employee, click on All Cert and just key in the employee ID of whose attachment you would like to view. The employee ID will be shown and followed by the attachments. As we are not able to label the title for the attachments, the first column will be the latest attachment for basic training, followed by the archive attachment, which is also for basic training in the second column. The third column will be latest attachment and fourth column will be archive attachments for continuation training record. Moving on to the fifth and sixth column is for the latest and archive attachments respectively for licenses. And for the last seventh and eighth column it will be for the latest and archive attachments respectively for type training record. Next, if you would like to locate the employees under a specific department, click Employees in Department under Queries and by typing in the desired department, example, SEG, it will auto-generate all the employees' ID, name and email of who are in the department. Moving on to the reports, if you would like to check the validity of all the employees' license, scroll down and click Employees License under Reports. A summary report of all the licenses each employee holds, including their license name, number, initial issue, renewal and the expiry date. We will also have another report which is the Enginous License Due report, from which you will be able to view all the employees whose licenses are due within 90 days. As you can see, it will indicate the exact number of days remaining until expired.